Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. Happy freaking New Year. I'm trying to figure out if this is too dark of a look for me. Like today, guys, I want to talk to you guys about how to achieve your goals in 2019. Some people are already falling off. They didn't even make no goals this year. So basically, I'm going to give you guys like my breakdown step by step. Yes, I'm one of those people who makes goals every year, and I don't care because most times, like more often than not, they actually work and I get them done. So if you've ever been discouraged because you couldn't keep up a New Year's resolution, then you might want to stick around and watch this video. If you guys already haven't, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Push the bell notification to be notified every time I upload, and follow me on all my social media. The links are in the description box down below and everywhere over here on the screen. Let's be social butterflies together. Alright, so let me make this quick because it's kind of late. I don't know why I do this to myself every time, but yeah. So the first things first is you need to decide that you want to change. After that, usually what you want to do, you want to write those goals down. I usually like write in my notes. The reason why I do them digitally is because when it's digital, I can format it to make it look pretty. And I don't know about you guys, but like when something is more aesthetically pleasing, it makes me want to participate more in the activity, if that makes sense. So like if I'm making my goal sheet and it has like a bunch of emojis and it's like a cute font, like it makes me feel more amped to like really get into whatever it is that I'm doing because it just looks nice. After that, what you want to do is you want to make a vision board. Now honestly, no offense, this is just me, I don't really like vision boards like that. Like, I don't know, I never really have like vision boards like that. I guess it doesn't seem as cute to me. So my version of a vision board, which you can also do if you don't really like vision boards either, is you can just print out pictures of those certain type of goals or ideas and you can put them on your wall. Now, once you've printed out the picture of like your goals, what you want to do is you want to put it everywhere. I mean everywhere. Like I'll put them on my wall in my bedroom, I'll put them on my door, I'll put them on my mirror, on your phone, ice your screens everywhere, your lock screen, your home screen. I mean everywhere. Sometimes, just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. You gotta kind of be like obsessed with your goals, you know what I'm saying? Because when you're looking at those goals every single day, it kind of subconsciously, your mind is taking that in as a reminder of like, oh, this is what we're aiming for. This is the direction we need to go in. So next, usually, okay, if you've gotten this far, congrats, but you're not done yet. What you want to do after this is you actually want to basically make a plan for each goal and have like a calendar date for it so that it seems more realistic and put into like small steps. Let's say, for example, my goal is to film 30 videos this year. I don't know, I'm just an example. If my goal is to film 30 videos this year for 2019, I'm gonna place on a calendar. It could be a real calendar or it could be like the Google Docs calendar. This is when I should record, this is when I should edit, this is when I should film. And strategize like every piece of it. That way you're breaking it down into smaller steps, so it's not just this big old goal of like an idea that you wish would happen. So accountability. Get somebody you trust to keep you accountable for your goals and the things that you feel like you need more self-discipline on. Some people don't need other people to like be on them or remind them like, hey, do this, do that. And some other people do. Also, what you want to do is you want to track your progress. This is important because most of this generation nowadays is very impatient, just like me, and I get discouraged when I feel like I don't see the overall goal being achieved. So you should track your progress along the way. That way, like even if you're not at your goal, maybe if you're like halfway towards your goal, if you track your progress, you can look back on your progress and be like, wow, I've come a long way. Look at the long term in short steps by rewarding yourself. Just my opinion, you can do whatever you want, but I say I like to keep quiet about my goals and keep my head down and just focus, because I like to let my actions speak louder than my words. Because I feel like I would look stupid, I would look dumb if I tell everybody and their mama, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do that, and none of it gets done. And I would feel like, you know, real gangsta or whatever if I don't say nothing, and then come the end of the year, it's like boom, 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 bam, 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 Amy did all of this. And it's just like, it's kind of like being humble but stunned at the same time, like flex without being that annoying person, you know what I'm saying? So This one's super, super important. I don't care what you say. I don't care who you are. This one is important. Like, out of all of these, this one is like, this is the lifeline. You can't be negative, okay? For one, you want to be around positive people. That's number one. For two, you want to fill your mind with positive things, whether that's listening to a positive podcast or like audio things, or watching videos, or reading a book. Like, keep yourself around positive vibes, because sometimes your own thoughts are not enough alone to keep you positive all the time. And you're not gonna be positive all the time, but if you're positive like at least 90% of the time, like, you are more likely to hit your mark. Your subconscious takes in whatever you feed it and whoever you be listening to. So if you want to get your stuff done, listen to good stuff that'll encourage you, or basically telling you that like you can get this stuff done. Speak it into existence. Yes, speak, like, for real. Like, no, talk to yourself. I be looking crazy in private, in public, everywhere I go, but speak it into existence. Like, if you want something to happen, say it's gonna happen even if you don't believe it, because I really don't know like how this stuff works, but like it does. I suggest praying for your goals too. Like, this is just me, so if you believe in God, if you are spiritual, I say you should pray over your goals and pray that God helps you get you to your goals. Ask somebody who's already done it, because more than likely you're not the first person to achieve whatever goal it is, unless it's something like being the first person to like land on Mars, because then you're kind of by yourself on that one, which would be a dope goal though. It's kind of like don't invent the wheel. Like, if someone's already done it, like, just do what they did to get what they got, or like, but like slightly cater it to your own type of lifestyle. Some of you guys might agree with this video because you're optimists like me. Some of you guys might disagree with this because you're a pessimist. Ooh. And then some of you guys might be like, I'm in the middle, I'm a realist. Let me know what you guys think down below, if you feel like these tips would do you any good. Tell me your goals for 2019. So thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video really soon, I promise. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters, love. Look at this. Oh.
Like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do. Woo, woo. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in that like woo.